My name is Vinit, and I represent Palin Analytics, a leading provider of comprehensive data science training solutions. I wanted to introduce our top-notch classroom training program in data science, tailored to empower professionals like yourself with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the ever-evolving field of data analytics. In today's data-driven world, organizations across industries are recognizing the transformative power of data science and analytics. With the exponential growth of data, there is an increasing demand for skilled professionals who can harness its potential to drive strategic decision-making, uncover hidden insights, and unlock competitive advantages. Here at Palin Analytics, we understand the challenges professionals face when it comes to staying ahead of the curve and acquiring in-demand skills. Our classroom training program has been meticulously designed by industry experts and data science practitioners with years of experience, ensuring that you receive the highest quality education and hands-on training. Here are a few compelling reasons why our data science classroom training program stands out from the crowd. Comprehensive curriculum. Our program covers a wide range of topics, including data manipulation, statistical analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and more. You'll gain a holistic understanding of the entire data science lifecycle, enabling you to tackle real-world challenges with confidence. Experienced instructors. Our instructors are seasoned data scientists who bring their industry expertise into the classroom. They have successfully implemented data science solutions across various domains and will provide practical insights and guidance throughout your learning journey. Hands-on projects. Theory is important, but practical application is crucial. Our training program includes hands-on projects, allowing you to work with real datasets and implement data science techniques in a simulated professional environment. This experiential learning approach will equip you with the skills you need to hit the ground running. Networking opportunities. In addition to the invaluable knowledge you'll gain, our classroom training offers a unique opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals from diverse backgrounds. Collaborate, share insights, and expand your professional network through interactive discussions and group activities. Post-training support. Our commitment to your success extends beyond the classroom. We provide post-training support, including access to additional resources, mentorship opportunities, and a dedicated community forum where you can engage with instructors and fellow alumni. Investing in our classroom training program will not only enhance your professional skill set but also open doors to new career opportunities and increased earning potential. Join the ranks of our successful alumni who have gone on to make significant contributions in their organizations and industries. To learn more about our data science classroom training program, I invite you to visit our website at www.palin.co.in or contact me directly at 9810600764 or vinit@palin.co.in. I would be delighted to answer any questions you may have and discuss how our program can specifically cater to your needs. Thank you for considering Palin Analytics as your preferred training partner in data science. Together, let's unlock the power of data and drive innovation in your organization.